Psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis. This is why you're here. Psoriasis is most commonly found on the knees and elbows, but can affect any part of your body. Over-the-counter cleansing bars and body washes are the major cause of the skin's delipidation. Delipidation is the softening, dissolving, and stripping away of your skin's precious oils, fats, and lipids. With your skin now weakened and many of its nutrients gone, it becomes dry and irritated and starts to itch and hurt. You try rubbing it, you scratch, it's awful. These very dry areas are now hurting all the time. Nothing off the store shelf seems to help. Nothing. Introducing the LipidTAC Combo, a nutrient-rich, natural-based soap and triple lipid complex lotion 108.
So basically I had psoriasis really badly. My knees were all broken out, my elbows. I had patches on my back and spots all over, and I tried this LipidTAC, not expecting much, and holy smokes, it changed everything. I went from not being able to even feel like I could go in public to here I am. I mean, I go where I want, I do what I want. I go to the beach now again. It really changed the game for me. It made life better all around.
Our nutrient-rich soap will not delipidate your skin, strip its nutrients, or negatively affect your skin's electrolytes or its normal acid mantle. Our lipid-rich cream supports skin with essential nutrient deficiencies. Our highly nutrient-rich soap cleanses, supports, and promotes your skin's natural barrier functions. LipidTAC soap is made with 3 rich vitamin E oils. Then we add an advanced electrolyte complex with concentrated aloe vera, 2 rich moisturizers, 2 skin-healthy vitamin Bs, and 2 protein-rich skin conditioners. The days of using damaging store-bought cleansing bars and body washes are over. Let LipidTAC help you restore your skin's health and get you back to living your best life.